Good morning, students. Class 8th. Today we are going to study Chapter 12 Introduction to Python. Now, first of all, what is Python? Python is interpreted high-level object-oriented programming language. Python is successor to ABC language and it is a case-sensitive language. Guido van Rossum is the developer of Python programming language. In 1991, Python code was published and in 1994, Python 1.0 was released with new features. You can download Python from www.python.org. Now, students, what is object-oriented language? Object-oriented language means it lays more emphasis on data or objects rather than procedures. It focuses on creating reusable codes. Now, what are the features of Python? Features of Python are it is easy to learn as it uses few keywords. It is using interactive mode. That means we write the command in one line and after pressing enter key, output is displayed. The code is simple. It is portable. That means it runs on variety of platforms. It uses simple syntax. It is free to use and it uses graphical user interface for programming. Now, what are the applications of Python? Python can be used to build a website, develop a game, perform computer vision like face detection, etc., enable robotics, perform scientific computing, build artificial intelligence. Modes of working in Python. Students, basically there are two modes of working in Python. First is interactive mode in which we type the command and after pressing enter key, output is displayed. And second is script mode in which we write the complete program in our new file, save it and then run it for the output. So children, one by one we will discuss these two modes. So first of all, let's discuss working in interactive mode. In the interactive mode, the commands are executed line by line, giving the output in the same line. In this mode, the command is typed in front of Python command prompt. Interactive mode is very useful for testing the code, where we type the command one at a time and get the result or error immediately. To work in interactive mode, students, you have to follow these steps. First of all, click on Start button. Click on All Programs. Select Python 3.8. IDLE, that means Integrated Development and Learning Environment, Python 3.8.0. Python shell will open with Python prompt. This is the Python shell in the interactive mode with the Python prompt. Here you can see the cursor where you can type the command. Using print function. Print is a function which is used to display the specific content on the screen. The content to be displayed is specified within parentheses. For example, print hello world. That means I want to print hello world on the output screen. Here we can see the output as hello world. Now see how we can write this in interactive mode. See, in the interactive mode, first of all we will type print inside parentheses with double quotes. As it is a string, we will type hello world and the output will be hello world. Using ideally as a calculator. To evaluate an arithmetic expression, it is not necessary to use the print function. Type an arithmetic expression at the command prompt and press enter. The interpreter automatically evaluates it and shows the result. For example, at Python prompt I have typed 2 plus 3 and in the next, after pressing enter key, the output is 5. I can also write this command using print function. Let's see. First of all, I have typed 2 plus 3. Output is 5. Secondly, again I have typed print inside parentheses 2 plus 3. Output is 5. That means if we are working with arithmetic expressions, then it is not necessary to use print function. Working in script mode. Script mode enables us to create and edit Python source file. The complete script is written in an editor such as Notepad in Windows, and then the interpreter is invoked with a script parameter. .py is the file extension. Now children, how we are going to work in script mode? To work in script mode, we need to do the following. First of all, we need to create a module, script or program file. And after creating, we have to run that module or script or the program file. Now to work in script mode, follow these steps. To create module, script or program file, open IDLE Python. Click on File, New File. Then type the commands. After typing the commands, we need to save them. So click on File and click on Save. Save the file with name and .py extension. Now see how you are going to do it practically. See, in the interactive mode on the top, I will select File and then New File. This is the script mode in which we will write the commands in the file. After writing all the commands, we need to save them. Now let's see how we can save our file. After saving means clicking on File, Save, we have to run it. Now let's see how to run the script or the program file. Open IDLE Python shell, click on File, Open, click on Run and Run module, or you can directly press F5. It will execute all the commands stored in separate Python shell window. Let's see how we can do it practically. After typing the commands and saving them, click on Run or press F5 or select Run module. See, the output Hello and Learning Python is displayed. So children, now you are aware of Python commands and modes of working in Python. Soon we will meet with the next topic more on Pythons. Till then, thank you and revise the contents.